What if I told you? Your AC might be making your room colder than you actually want, and you're just one button away from fixing it? To increase the temperature on your AC, simply grab your remote and press the temp up or plus button until you reach your desired, warmer setting. If your room feels too cold, especially during winter, switch the mode to heat, look for the sun icon, or just raise the temperature in cooling mode to reduce how much cold air is produced. On most remotes, the temperature increases in small steps, usually 1 degree Celsius or 2 degrees Fahrenheit, so adjust it gradually for comfort. For the best balance of comfort and energy savings, keep your AC set between 24 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. If you switch to heating mode, don't worry if it doesn't start right away. Most AC units take about 2 to 5 minutes before blowing warm air. The question is, lost your remote? No problem. Open the front panel of your AC and turn it to auto mode. It usually sets the temperature around 25 degrees Celsius automatically. And for even better efficiency, try using Eco or Sleep mode. These features adjust the temperature for you while saving energy. Small changes. Big comfort. Try it now and feel the difference.